In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for team management. So in order to use it, first head over to Trello.com. So you should be able to see this. If you don't have an account yet, you can just input your email and sign up for free. Or if you already have one, just head over and click on this login option. On my case, I'll head over and click onto this Get Trello for Free option in order to see in here some more options for logging in or signing up. I want to sign up using my Google account, so let me head over and then make that possible. You can just input right here your Google, and then you should be able to sign you up on Trello using this part as well. To manage your team using Trello, we need to actually incorporate templates. We have in here daily task management, but we have in here this remote team hub, which is the most applicable for everything. I'll just use this one for our actual template. And then in here, it should be able to show me in here my actual board. In here, we can see our actual options. Like for example, we have our team information, current projects, completed projects as well. So if you want, you can actually add another list into this part if you want. In order to copy this template, click on this create board from template option and then rename it as you want and click on create. Now this is the board that I have. You can create another list. Let's name it to do. Click on this add list. And you can reposition your list by just dragging and dropping them right here if you would want. So for example, you can just move it around if you would want right here. You can create a card by clicking on this add a card option below the list options and input right here the card details. So for example, let's put in here make a presentation. Now you can click onto that card and you can further edit it right here by adding members, labels, dates, checklists. You can add descriptions. You can write comments. You can attach links and the likes. So if you would want to use this to manage your team, you can click onto the share option and input right here the name or email address of the team members that you would want. And you should be able to see in here the join request for this particular board. So you can assign members on any project that you have. You can add in here description and you can click on members and assign the members that you want to work on a particular project. So that's how you use Trello for team management. I hope this video helped you out.